Welcome back to Camus Classics. Cooper and Jenny here. We're going to bring you the Heber back to the 50s car show. We did bring the Firebird. You can kind of see that right here in the background. We did want to show that. It's been a little bit since it's been out. We're going to go through. We'll see if we can meet some people and look at some fun cars. So we're going to start here. 1933 Ford. Looking again. I love cars with hood ornaments. This one has one.
What is it?
Under your back.
It came like this. Tell me what it is. It's just a protector for something.
Another one of the winners. Don Franklin, Lindsay, and Sherry.
Just a good looking car. And we've got another one here, 56 Chevy Bel Air.
It's funny how style.
Yep.
Yeah, that's
30 years ago.
all those sleds.
Just a really nice, well done car. Kind of back to original style. Really like it. Okay, here we have a 51 Mercury lead sled. These are kind of neat cars. I really like them. Hey, we're going to go into the shade here for a little bit. 49 Packard.
I tried to stay up later. I did some Bondo the other day and got Bondo. I'm wearing shorts now. I got Bondo on my, but I have two pair of dinosaur shorts. Oh yeah, I've never been.
Kind of a neat car. Here we have a 1970 Ford Torino Cobra.
See, I haven't. I just made the outside, so we'll zigzag through the middle. So still got along. Yeah.
Well, good seeing you.
Yeah, you as well. Good to see you still doing car stuff.
This is probably one of my favorite red colors. I believe it's a Mazda color, Ford company. One of my favorite colors. Taking it back to the Tri-5 area, here's a 55 Ford Fairlane. 5.0 engine, modernized engine. So let us know in the comments, Ford or Chevy of the 55 to 57s. I kind of am more partial to the Fords, but more probably because they're more rare. But let us know in the comments which ones you prefer. Here's a 1968 Mustang. You know, I don't really cover Mustangs a lot just because there's so many of them, but this one is special because it's almost exactly what I want to build. Even the 347 stroker. Just a really well done. The only difference I want is I want some stripes on it. Hey, this one's a little special. 1940 Ford. What makes it special is what's under the hood. They kept it Ford. It's not very often that they keep a Ford engine in the old Fords. They usually go to a Chevy. So wanted to show you that with a Ford engine. Really well done. Very nice truck. Here we have a 39 Chevy. We're going to actually start from the back of the car and go forward. Really love these tail lights on this. Just a nice Chevy. Here's a pretty nice 33 Ford Roadster. Really like the two-tone, both great color combination on this. Really love this car. Here we have a really well done 71 Chevy pickup. Love the two-tone gunmetal gray, white.
Raffle ticket, gallery 65. You can put your ticket anywhere you like on the prize you want to win.
Big wheels, nice truck. You know I like the oddities. This is an MGA, 1962. All 4 cylinders of power. So as you may or may not remember, we do have a 1955 Chevy. Ours is the second series. I'm going to show you what the first series is. Nice Cummins engine in it.
I bet this thing's pretty fun to drive. It's always scary as fuck to drive.
So that's first series, kind of, if you look, I think it's 48 to 55, kind of the same body style. 54 and 55 were different, up to 53 was about the same, but 54 and 55 were a little bit different. But then you have the Jurassic version, which was the Task Force version, which is what mine is, which is the second series. So there's the first series. I'll see if we can't find us a second series. Told you I'd see if we could find a 55. Can't find a 55, but did find a 57. And that's actually what we're going to be building. So truck's 55. The big difference is right here in the front of the grille. It does require the fenders and stuff to be different, but I'd have those for it. So here's a 57. But you can see wildly different than the 55 first series.
Look at Zach's up there all brave and ready to go.
And you've got bigger fenders, shorter running boards. The cab's not as wide, or is wider on this. So a few different changes, but amazing how half a year can make a difference. You know, I can't go to a show, see another Firebird, because I very rarely see them, and not included in one of our videos. So here is a 67 Pontiac Firebird. 326.
Now, let's see. Pine Canyon Landscape. Scott McKay. Scott McKay with your 23 bucket.
This one happens to be a convertible. Let me show you a few differences. We'll hop on the other side here.
With your speedster, John Jones. John Jones, 33 Ford. Jason Sisson with your gasser. Jason Sisson.
So there are two big differences in a 67, 68. First, right here, wing windows, 67 only, not 68. And if you come back here, you'll notice there's no emblem. The 68 gets a Pontiac arrowhead right here. That is the big differences in a 67, 68. Hey, what we got here, 1950 Woody Wagon Willys. It's an Overland.
And I gotta tell you, I'm a brave guy. When they ask me, please go. Right, so diet plane.
Just a neat little Willys wagon.
Alright.
So I can't pass up a specialty Mustang. This one's a 65 Mustang GT. It's the GT 350.
It wasn't all put together.
Shelby American, taking the Mustang, making it better. We hope you enjoyed the car show. Like, share, and subscribe.